Alright, I'll give this engine one more little quick start. We're just getting all ready to go visit the kids for the holidays. No real good way to tell exactly how this is going to idle, other than just cranking it on a cold day and seeing for yourself. So that's what we'll do. I'm just going to start it, listen to it idle for a minute or two. I like that good. I don't need the fast idle to be a lot faster than that. And if I ever do, I know how to crank it up a little. That's good. I like that. Happy with that. I'll leave it alone. Alright. So we're getting ready to take a trip out of town. Yeah, that's the plan. There will be videos from the road, and we will keep you up to speed with what's going along the way. Alrighty. Any questions, just send a message out to Rusty Glove Box. He's got all the answers. He's the smart one here in this crowd. Some of y'all are smart too, but I don't want to call you out, because then you'll have, people from the government calling you, asking you how to solve world problems that they can't handle by themselves. And I know y'all got more important things to do than that, so we won't bring that up.